Welcome back to Autoscope. Ferrari Motorhome 2026, a moving combination of luxury and performance, combining the comfort and grandeur of a luxury vacation home with Ferrari's legendary racing heritage. The Ferrari Motorhome 2026 will be a moving work of art. External, iconic design and superb aerodynamics. Advanced materials, carbon fiber and other lightweight composite materials will be used extensively since they increase structural rigidity while simultaneously lowering weight. Exclusive wheels. The sporty impression will be further enhanced by large, lightweight alloy wheels with an elaborate spoke pattern. Integrated access, the main entrance, which may include a modest electrical mechanism, will be tastefully constructed and concealed when closed. Panoramic Skylight. A big panoramic skylight will be installed on the roof, letting in plenty of natural light and offering sweeping vistas of the sky. Interior. State-of-the-art technology and customized luxury. Elegant living room, cozy leather couches, perhaps with an electric reclining option, will be used to outfit the lounge area. The highlight will be a coffee table composed of opulent materials. Gourmet Kitchen. The kitchen will be furnished with top-tier appliances from well-known manufacturers, such as a huge refrigerator and freezer, an automatic coffee maker, a microwave oven, and an induction cooktop. Luxurious bedroom. A king-size bed with a premium mattress will be located in the master bedroom. Premium materials. To create an unparalleled atmosphere, the interior will be dominated by materials like premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, rich veneer wood, and metal. Technology and performance. Strong engine. The RV will probably have a strong engine that is tuned for long-distance driving and has lots of torque, possibly a twin-turbo V8 or even a V12 if that is technically feasible. Advanced transmission. A comfortable driving experience is guaranteed with an automated transmission that shifts gears smoothly.